It's time to get clean and stay healthy with the Clean Squad. They're on a mission to fight dirt and germs. Now, it's time to get clean and stay healthy and watch the Clean Squad in action. Captain Soap shoots bubbles that wash away germs. Brushy the toothbrush zaps cavity germs with minty freshness. Hairy Comb tames wild hair and zaps dandruff bugs. Dr. Towel dries water fast and heals messes. Shiny Shirt smells great and repels dirt. Tissue Tina, she blocks sneezes and traps snot monsters. Super Shampoo, bubble shield and germ eraser. But not everyone wants things clean. Here comes the Germ Gang. They're messy, stinky, and love the dirt. Grimy Gus, Cavity Carl, Sneezy Steve, Stinky Stella, and Dusty Dan.
Now, let's help the Clean Squad fight away these germs and dirt.
Rub-a-dub, wash your hands before you eat and after the loo. Soap and water will help you too. Scrub away, save the day. Up and down and all around. Brush your teeth without a sound. Morning and night make them bright. Shiny teeth are happy teeth. Brush it down and brush it neat. Combing hair makes you look sweet. Comb it out, look your best. Splash your face, dry it well. Being clean is just swell. Pat dry and wave goodbye to grime. Smelly shirts? No, I don't think so. Clean clothes help you glow. Dirt and grime? Not this time. If you sneeze or if you cough, use a tissue, germs get lost. Catch the sneeze, stop the spread. Hop in the shower, wash head to toe. Stay fresh and happy wherever you go. Bubble blast, germs won't last. The Clean Squad wins again. Stay clean, stay strong. Remember, little scholars, stay clean and be a hygiene hero.
Hey there, did you have fun learning with us today? If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting learning. By liking our videos, you help us know what you enjoy learning about. And subscribing means you won't miss out on any of our awesome educational content. See you again next time here at Little Scholars Network. Until then, keep curious and keep exploring.